Green hickory right here. It's gonna be hard to bust. But I got some kind of big gorilla man came out of the woodwork, said he can split it.
Let's see what we got here. Ooh, that ain't splitting at all. Got a little piece. She ain't going. Woo. There you go. Yeah, I don't think that bitch is splitting there, huh?
Here, let me see. See that grain right here? See how it's kind of circled right there? There's like a tight knot. Try to cut this piece right there, like just cut it off, like right there. Hit it
Hit the edges?
Yeah, it will hit it right here. Kind of just hit it, like hit it right there, and this will come off and hit right there on that grain in the circle. Try that. See what happens. Right there might be hard because there is a knot lined up right there, but.
That shit off there.
Oh, and let's put this. This ground's super soft. I want to see how hard he could hit it. If you look right here, you can see he's been driving that thing into the ground. We'll put this under there. Like I said, go across here. Yeah, right there, you got it, see.
Oh, that was a bad hit. Need my ball.
And guys, this is one of the hardest pieces of wood you're ever going to find to split. We're going to get some oak up here, and we'll let him do it again. You're not here, you can't hear how hard he is hitting this. Can't wait to bust this open.
Damn. Woo.
You whack on him for a minute? Oh yeah, there it is. I heard it give.
Yeah.
I think this might be screwed.
At least it's already in pieces.
That's gonna naughty something.
Whew. Give your health for a little bit. Strong son of a bitch, ain't it?
Yeah. Said I'll show you on this grain. Like if you kind of just circle around it, you're hitting that so much harder than I am. It's just if you just hit that grain just
I'm trying to go in the center.
like this knot's probably not even gonna bust apart. It's actually gonna be a pretty good one to show. That might be just about all that's there that we can get. Might try to bust this one, but it's... Yeah, that one ain't worth it. You guys could see how much harder he was hitting that than me. If you follow along, I got another piece like this. Later I'll put up a video of showing how to hit on a grain line. We'll let him attack another one and see what happens.